guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making pumpkin chocolate chip whoopie pies. Coming up. Oh, and one more thing. Do not forget to press that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. To begin, in a mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of vegetable oil. With a hand mixer, mix them together. Add in 1½ cups of canned pumpkin, followed by 2 eggs. Give that a mix. Now, add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and give that a mix. Add in 1 cup of chocolate chips. With a spatula, fold the batter in. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Now, use a large baking tray lined with parchment paper. Place the dough onto the tray just like so. Bake for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, let's work on the filling. In a mixing bowl, add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, followed by 8 ounces of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar. Give that a mix. And 12 minutes later, these guys are done. Let them cool off for about 20 minutes. What is your favorite pumpkin recipe? Please let me know in the comment box down below. 20 minutes later, go ahead and flip them over.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Now, it is time for the filling.
Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws.
Let's give them a try. They are so moist, so delicious. There's no better combination than pumpkin and chocolate. And there you guys have it. pumpkin chocolate chips whoopie pies. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.